Have you ever wondered how the Grand Canyon was formed? Over millions of years, the Colorado River carved through the rock, shaping the canyon. The answer lies in the forces of nature, slowly sculpting the landscape. Did you know that the Grand Canyon is over miles long? Explore the ancient secrets hidden within its walls, waiting to be discovered. Unveil the mystery of this natural wonder, a testament to the power of time and nature.